Otis. Otis, come here, Otis. Otis, sit.
I think he caught that. Did he catch that? He may have caught that. Here comes the treat. Oh! Now maybe there's a pet in your life and you want to enhance your relationship by firing treats at them out of a motorized camera. This lets a person keep tabs on their pet as well, since it's a camera. It has a two-way communication in it. So sometimes if, for example, Kovu's at home, then Mo can pop out his phone and talk to his dog, be like, Kovu, come over here.
Otis, come here, Otis.
And then he comes over and he fires a treat at it. I'm talking like fires a treat. Like it actually launches a treat. And animals love treats. All of them. Dogs, cats, turtles.
What do you give a turtle for a treat?
Sardines.
Oh.
There's no lettuce in the ocean, right?
No, but I mean,
No.
if you had a pet.
No, but I mean. No, I know. Bye. Now I know. Ocean lettuce would be like seaweed or something, I guess. Damn. Ocean lettuce. This is called the Eufy Pet. Keep your pup guessing. Your dog will never know where the treat goes with 3 distance options to launch food. Because you can fire it right over his head. You ever hit him square in the eye, though?
I have hit his face, but
He does not mind. He's like, time to move on. There's a treat here. I do not care. It hears every woof.
it lets you know.
Is it woof or woof? Woof, woof. So if the dog is barking, something's up. Oh, I gotta check in. How's that for an alarm system? You check the camera. Free doggy diary. You have videos that show what your pup is up to. You gotta be away for a little bit. The camera also has 4 infrared sensors, so you can get bright video at any time of day. Yeah, I think this could be a cool gift, holiday season. We need to stop this news story for an alert from Mo.
$90 off if you use a promo code that's gonna show up right here.
$90 off. Wow.
Woof.
Woof. You listen here, doggy. It kind of looks like a speaker, maybe? Pretty slender. Camera. Kind of sort of pointing down. You can tell it's wide angle. This is gonna be the speaker and microphone below there for 2-way communication. So the dog can hear you, you can hear the dog. That looks like the treat launcher. It's kind of like a catapult, medieval, but motorized and tiny, obviously. Woo! Clips on so the dog can't hack it. And look at that, the treats go in and there's some gears in there and it's gonna launch it. Oh, by the way, there's like a manual release and sync. They've hidden some buttons in there so the pet can't tamper. I think we just set it up now. It's already set up. It's already set up. All right, I'm in another room now. Otis is by himself. Otis is in a room by himself. I have it all in this feed right here. But he's kind of far away. He's probably by the door. He's like, he just assumes nothing unusual is going on. I'm gonna call him with the speak button here, press and hold. Otis. Otis, come here, Otis.
Otis. Otis, come here, Otis.
Otis, come here.
Otis, come here.
Oh, look at him in the distance. Otis, sit.
Otis, sit.
Wow, I think he deserves a treat for that. Oh, here comes the treat. Oh! That is incredible. That is more fun than I expected it to be, just launching treats at the dog. Will, you need this.
I love it.
Can I give him another one? Is that all right? I think he caught that. Did he catch that?
Yeah, it looks like it.
He may have caught that. We gotta check the recording on that. I can record a clip of Otis. I can share it later, whatever, put it on social media. I can do a screenshot. I can also, well, you saw me speaking back and forth with, oh, he's lit. There's more treat in there. This is, I gotta use one of these too with Pepper. This is so useful. You can rotate it, it can pan. Oh, he's growling. The spinning makes him a little, hey man, you just got treats. Can't growl at the robot. Oh wow, yeah. Anywhere in the room. Anywhere in the room you're gonna be able to get. Oh, I can pre-record a command. So what's cool about that too is that maybe he responds better to Will's voice. And then I have Will's command recorded inside the application. Okay, now, if you guys notice, I can also decide how far I want to fire the treat. As I pull back here, I have level 1, 2, and obviously the most fun is level 3. That one I got over his head. So there you have it. That is the Eufy Pet treat dispenser. Otis is in love, as you can tell. I mean, you're obviously aware. And it doubles as this really cool security camera and ability to check up on your pet at any moment via your smartphone. Super convenient and a little bit of fun with the little video game aspect, launching the treats, interacting with the pet, rewarding the pet for being a good boy. It's $90 off right now. You can get it for yourself, for your dog. Could you use it with a cat? Yeah, why not? And or somebody else's dog if you want to get it as a gift for someone else. Now's the time. It's that time of year. The gift time and the pet time. And definitely the treat time.